Want to know pros RC?
Enemies.
Chevy Truck went up first run.
Alright, so as you can see, if it's on like this loose sand type surface, it has difficulty getting up there. But on the other side, where it's mostly gravel and rocks, the truck just went up there twice with no problem. So yeah, there you have it. The truck seems to get up there pretty easy. It does have some decent tires on there and wheels. I hope you can hear me over the helicopter, but if not, it's all good. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. Until next time, y'all be easy. Peace.
Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.